Alright, so this one game I'm playing is called Hiking of the Soul, and it's pretty much just there are no checkpoints, and you just try and climb up. So let me start this up. Dude, dude, dude. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, here. What? Come on, get up. Okay. Is there some way to get through this? Oh crap! What? Come on, get up. Oh, okay, there's some invisible barrier. What is this? I think the pickaxe is causing it. Okay, come on. I'm doing good. Yes. Yeah, you see, that was cakewalk. Okay, come on, come on. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay, so you can jump, but it's just like a little a little boost, just to, like, you see. Okay. Dang it, no. Your brain is infested with rodents. Crud. Yes. Okay, yes, yeah. Okay, I'm getting through it. I'm still getting through it. But you just gotta have faith. Yeah. Mm. Bro, bro. Yes. Okay. I might have found a shortcut. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I'm doing good. Yeah. What? How did that happen? Bro. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Here. What? Okay. It's pushing me back. Here. God, dude. Okay, there's some sort of barrier. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I am literally clicking. I'm. No, bro. Dude, get up, get up, get up, bro. I swear, dude. Yes. Okay, yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Bro. Come on. Get up for crying out loud, dude. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh jeez. Okay, here. I can do that. See, I have high IQ. Uh, for playtesting, do not click or you will be kicked. Okay. Wait. What? What? This was the route that I was supposed to take. No! Come on! Come on! No. How did I slip? Get up! Get up! Yes. Okay.
Nope.
No. No, bro. Alright. No. Dude. I swear. Just get up. Yes. Oh, come on. Okay. I can't jump on that part. Yeah. Dude, stop. Dude, stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. No. I can't jump over there. Oh, come on. Please, just work. Please. No, dude. How do I do this? Okay. Okay, just don't screw this up. Yeah. No, I. Okay. Dude. Why does the frickin' pickaxe keep pushing me back? Alright, well here, I can do this. No. Dude! Come on, just get up. Just get up, up and over. Get, dude, stop. Bro. Hey, man. Just get up. Okay, I just need to think about this. Yeah, it's just cancellation, a cancellation method. Yeah, I see, that totally exists. I just need to, okay, that works. Okay, yes. I swear, if this bridge just collapse, I will lose it. Oh, it didn't collapse. Here, so this is just a teapot and what is that, a statue? Oh, okay. Up, get up. Yeah. No, dude, bro. Yes, okay. Things are looking good. We have another statue, I think, and I might just be rocks. No, okay, yes. It's a teapot. Okay, let's climb up this way. There's another teapot. Hey, what are these teapots? Whoa, bro. Dang it. Dang it. Bro, get up! What is this? Dude, stop it. How can I get up? Okay. Bro, okay, is there some secret pathway around there? Because that's impossible. Okay, so wait, so there's this way. Okay, great, now I'm stuck. Okay, I'm cooking. Yes, okay, good. Tears of the crying children. Okay, and that plank didn't collapse. Uh, yeah, I can't get through there. Get up. Giddy up. Up, dude. Mm, yes. Okay, so wait. So is there some? No, stop. Stop, brother. No. Oh yes, just slow and steady. You know, it wins the race. I think. I don't know. Okay, I just remember that. I remember what happened last time. No, come on, bro. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay, I have mastered that part. Well, I have already, but I've gotten used to it. Bruh, bruh. No, no. Just get up, please, 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 please. Dude, just get a move on. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Dude, let me just go up first. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yeah, yeah, no, 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 no. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, stop, stop, no, dude. Come on. Bro, I forgot to bring out the frickin' pickaxe. Dang it. Come on, dude, please, 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 please. Just get up! Just get up! Just get up, dude, bro! Oh. He left. Yes, 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 okay. Oh, he's back, he's back. Okay, okay, yeah. There we go, there we go. No, dude, just get up, I swear, yes. Yeah, yes, finally. Okay, I know what happened last time. No, okay, yes. Okay. Oh, jeez, jeez, get up. Yes. Um, no, bro, come on. I swear. Yes. Okay, I just need to find. I need to find some way. Wait, what? Dude, just get up! Oh my gosh. This is so. This is so, bro. Oh, dude, why does it keep pushing me back? Why does it keep pushing me back? Why? No, dude! Come on! Bro. Okay. Okay. No, okay. I, I, okay. Bro, are you for real? Okay. I don't know. Bro. I can't do this anymore. I can't.